Good morning and welcome to today's video. So today is a get ready with me using some of the products that I've got on my Look Fantastic haul and see what we think of them. I've had a few days to have a play with them and have a try, and I'll tell you what I've been loving. So get yourself a cup of coffee. Mine's a vanilla latte. And if you'd like to see how I enjoyed these products and what look I create, carry on watching. Okay, so I've just prepped my skin with my Helio Care. That's the last step of my skincare, and I'm now going to try the Skinceuticals Mineral Eye Defense Sunscreen. Now, this takes a bit of getting used to, and to be fair, I should have read the reviews first, and I normally always do. I don't know why I didn't. It sounded so good, I just thought I'd get it. It has a tendency to look a bit dry and a bit crepey. Now, I don't know whether that's because it's mineral or what, but it comes out like this, like a mousse. It's got a brightening effect. You can use it on the eyelids, and I've tried it with eye cream and without eye cream. But a lot of people have said it's quite brightening, as you can see, but a lot of people have said it gets, it starts to get a bit dry here. Look, it's beautifully brightening. I do like that. And it's fine once you put concealer over. It's just initially, it can a bit dry. And it doesn't matter how much moisturiser I've put under my eyes. It's got that kind of, it shows up kind of dryness, which is really a bit, So I'm not 100%. I think it's fine if you're not wearing any makeup and you're going out for a walk in the morning and you want to protect your eyes, fair enough. But a lot of people said in the reviews that they find that it's dry and crepey, which it is a bit. But there we go. We have to try these things, don't we? Right. Next up is the NYX Marshmello Primer. Oh my God, this is brilliant. I absolutely love this. It smells of marshmallows. It doesn't feel like a primer at all. It actually feels like a moisturiser. It's so smoothing on the skin and it just feels so nice. You don't feel, it's not silicone-y, it's not got a slip. It just feels really kind of nourishing and hydrating. I really, really like this. This I really like, and it makes your makeup go on really well. Now, I know I said I was going to do the Bare Minerals, but I filmed the Bare Minerals and it was awful. I hated what I was wearing. My hair was awful. The makeup did not go on as I expected it to. It was a disaster, and I thought, who wants to watch 17 minutes of me going, oh, do I like this makeup or not? Is this what I like? Do we like it? No. So I'm trying again, which is good because it's given me some time to try the products a bit more. So I'm just going to go in with my Bare Pro liquid foundation because I tried it with, I wore the matte in the other video, didn't like it. I tried the original yesterday and it just didn't, I don't know, it just did not work. So I'm going to go in with my Bare Pro. This is the 12 light, what is it called? 12 warm natural. And I'm going to go in with my smoothing face brush from Bare Minerals. And I'm just going to kind of disperse this all over. I've actually not tried this foundation with the primer, so this will be interesting. I like to just get the foundation on first, like so, spread it around, and then I'll start stippling. Okay. Now for the concealer. Now, this concealer is lovely. It's smoothing. It's not too heavy. It doesn't settle into fine lines, but it doesn't work on the eyelids for me. So you know how I normally prime with other things? This on the eyelids, no. But under the eye, very nice. It's got a lovely spread. It's lovely on skin as well if you want to use it for blemishes and stuff, but not on the eyelids. So I'm just going to blend this in like so. Now that's kind of gotten rid of the crepiness of the mineral thing, so it's got rid of that, which is fine. I think it's made to wear under makeup anyway. So do you see how smooth that is? It's a really nice smooth concealer. I really like that. Okay, now to use on my eyelids. Now for eyelids, I really like this. This is the Infallible More Than Concealer. Do you know what I think this is my conclusion, right? Whenever you buy new stuff, you realise what you already have was fine. This happens to me every time, and I'm like, why did I buy it? Okay, so, but you know, it's what we do. I like this on my eyelids because it's quite bright, and then I like it kind of in the corners, just to brighten up those inner corners. This is an amazing base for eyelids, and I just bounce that all over the lid. Thank you. Oh, he wants to go out. Yeah, Mummy. Yeah. God. Honestly, he's like wanting to sleep the whole morning, and now he doesn't want to sleep. Okay, so that's that. I like that the concealer is kind of the same colour as the foundation. I think it just, you know, I just think it's nice. And now I'm going to go in with my powder, and I'm going to use the Bare Skin Perfecting Veil. Powders I switch from day to day, it depends, but I quite like this one. And I'm just going right. Oh, my table's a mess, everything's everywhere. Bronzer. Oh yeah, this was a no makeup look. I almost even forgot that. So I'm going to go in with my NARS Laguna, a mini one which is nearly running out. And I just like to really just get that dusted all over. What are they doing now? Are they cleaning the road? Are they mowing the lawn? It's like constant noise. Okay. I'm not going to put that in the crease because I just really don't like bronzer in the crease. What is that? What's going on? It's literally taken me like an hour to set up this whole thing because the camera didn't want to sit right. I didn't know what to wear. I have nothing left to wear. Oh my God, I'm having a fit. I'm going to go in with Dallas because I think this is just a lovely colour, and it just looks kind of fresh. And especially if you're going for that no makeup look, I think it's a really nice, a nice blush. I'm going to go in with Stone Cold Fox. Did I show you everything I got then? Oh yeah, the lipstick and then the hairspray. So I love this palette so much. I always take a mix of these two shades, Quarry Days and Stranger. I like these because, you know, they're neutral shades. Bronzer just, I really, no. So I mix these two kind of together. And that's what I kind of use for my crease colour. I kind of mix it. I kind of just go in like that. And you see it's got almost like a mauvey tone. It's not warm, it's not orange. And I kind of bring that into the side. whatever's left, kind of bring underneath. Like so. Okay. So I'm going to leave it like that because I know I can carry on and it gets, you know, it becomes a bit much, right? Because this is a no makeup look. You know, we're just bobbing out. Get a big bronzer, a big shadow brush, and just meld that all in together. Okay. I will do liner, some sort of liner, because I just don't like not having liner. So I'm going to just take this really dark brown shadow and use it along the lash line. Who's calling now? Tunbridge Wells? Okay. Hold on. Now I've got to do the other eye. Honestly, what is happening this morning? Why can't I not just film my video like without a million commotions going on? Again, I feel like that's too much, but I always put some sort of eyeliner on. Oh my God, if you see my table here, it's a mess. And Bertie wants a walk, but he was sleepy when I was first getting ready. And I thought, oh, well, he's sleepy, I'll do a video. And now obviously he's like a child when you're busy doing something, they're like pestering you. Do you remember that used to really annoy me when like mothers would be talking on the phone or something or with another mother and then the child's like, Bertie! Yeah. Anyway, so what is wrong with me in my makeup these days? Like, why am I having such a problem with it? It's like I just don't, I can't. Bertie! I've got to find my mascara, hold on. Does anyone else have this problem where you literally put something down and then it's gone forever and you can't find it? I mean, I took my earrings out the other night in my hand and then I was like, oh, where are they? Couldn't remember what I did with them, where I put them. Now I don't know where my mascara is and, oh God. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in with mascara. Let's pop that on. I don't want to be here all day doing it because I take forever doing my mascara, so I'm going to do that and come back. Okay, mascara done. I was just thinking about this as well. It's Monday. I need to put petrol in the car. I hate putting petrol in the car. Don't you hate it? Frigging hate it. I hate driving with like hardly any petrol either. So I normally make sure it's up, but yesterday I didn't check. Anyway, oh God, I just hate doing it. I really do. There used to be a pay at pump and now there really isn't a lot of pay at pump. And I just, God, this is the thing, like the simplest basic things I find really difficult, really difficult. Okay, so that's, oh, my eyebrows, that's the eyes. Eyebrows, I'm just gonna do Gimme Brow, just to give it a bit of, it's not even to do anything about it, it's just to brush them up. Oh, there's so many perfumes I want. I've got them in my wish list basket in Space NK and I think I'm just gonna bloody buy them. But actually, I should smell them first, shouldn't I? But whenever I go in store, they never have the one I want to smell. And it's like these perfumes are both, one's a Diptyque and one's by Rido, and they're both like £170. But it's like, the sound of it, I'm sure I'm gonna love it, but I have to smell it first, really, shouldn't I? Oh, I feel a chat video coming on. Oh, I took these pictures. I was at my parents' yesterday and I was reading Italian Vogue and I took these pictures. It was like a Guess ad. I'll have to show you. I've got them on my phone. I'll do it in another video. And I was like, this is how I imagined myself to look like. Oh God, you know, you just want to reinvent yourself. Okay, that's that. Then we're going to go in with the lipstick I bought, if I can find it. Seriously. Oh my God. Oh goodness, please, no, come on. What do I do with things? Oh, it's in my lap. Oh, God. I've been wearing this every day and I love it. It's MAC Modesty and it is just such a perfect everyday lipstick. I like to pair that with Boldly Bare, which is probably my favourite lip pencil of life. If you find Blankety to be a bit pale, then this one is your best bet. I love that lip pencil. I buy so many lip pencils, but I love that lip pencil. Okay, so that's the finished look. That would be my everyday, okay? Now, this Living Proof, incredible. It smells amazing. It is just, oh my God, I love it. So, ooh, what's that? So what you do is you spray it kind of like underneath the hair. It smells so good. So pick up the hair and kind of, so I'm not using it as a, and it says wait, what does it say? Wait 30 seconds. I can't wait that long, okay. And then you kind of just smudge it in and you get really nice texture. It says that it actually cleans the hair. My hair's clean, but it needs volumizing at the roots. And I think that does a super smashing job. Isn't that great? I love this. It smells incredible. It says actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat and odor, which is brilliant. You know when you like cook to fry up on the weekend or something. Yeah, so it says spray in sweeping motions, wait 30 seconds, massage and shake to remove. So yeah, this dry shampoo actually cleans hair, fast acting powder, soak up oil and dirt and sweat. Then the patented molecule allows for easy removal so hair looks and feels and smells cleaner. Go longer between washing. It's just nice, you know, when you get to like day 2 or 3 hair and your hair gets a bit sort of, you know. But yeah, okay, there we are. I think that's everything. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you think. I'm still not sure about my makeup look today. I'm going through one of those phases where I'm just like not liking my makeup, but yeah. Okay. Let me show you. Shall I show you my makeup mess? Because, you know, is this just me? But look at my makeup mess. How do I turn this around? Look at that. That's just like me trying to do my makeup of a day. No wonder I can't find anything. I mean, really. There you go. That was using my Look Fantastic stuff. I hope you're well and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.